Hey guys, happy Friday.
Hi everybody.
Okay, the winter weather is setting in, and with the winter weather comes snow skiing. And also because the borders are pretty much still closed at the moment, we've got a lot of people asking us about what they should do to prep for the snow season if they're going to go skiing and hitting the cold weather. So we've got a couple of tips for you today.
Yes, so the American College of Sports Medicine has actually found that the most common injuries for skiers are that of the lower extremity, so things like knee ligament tears, ankle tears, things like that, and in terms of snowboarders and skiers, wrists as well. So really common to have these types of injuries. Now, the other injuries that can occur from skiing and snowboarding as well, things that you get with like your high-speed accidents, so this can be really serious things like head injuries and concussions, or spinal injuries, which can be fractures as well. So it's fair to say whether you're a beginner like me, or someone who's a little bit more avid, which I know we do have some avid skiers in the practice as well, it's really important to really get on top of the prevention when it comes to injuries.
Absolutely, and one of the other big things to consider there is your protective gear. So simple things like the common injury sites for skiing and snowboarding, you've got your wrists, you've got your knees, head injuries as Dr. Range said, so helmets, wrist guards actually really can help prevent you from having those big injuries. Also, when you consider what you can do around to help strengthen your body up, so looking at your core strength and also the strength in your arms and legs will also then help brace those joints a lot better. So there's a greater chance of preventing those injuries from happening in the first place.
Wonderful. So we have a look at some chiropractic now and how that may help prevent injuries in the research and literature. There was a study in 2012, pretty recent. Oh, someone's ringing to book in for some preventative care right now. Wonderful. So the live's working, lovely. So in 2012, there was a study in national level judo athletes where they showed that there was a 17% increase in grip strength, and that was consistent through the study population that they looked at through chiropractic care, which is really, really cool. All these studies we're quoting need more research done, but we're going to give you the latest research out there just to show how chiropractic may be able to affect and help aid in prevention of some injuries.
Yeah, that's awesome. So another study, so a more recent randomized control trial done on the US military actually showed that chiropractic adjustments actually helped improve their trunk endurance and also their balance when their eyes were closed, which is very important to have really good balance when you are, skiing down slopes and there's lots of variables and things changing as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So learning from the most recent research is actually a really important thing. So speaking to people who are keeping up to date with some of the musculoskeletal stuff will benefit you in your sporting endeavours, not just your snow sports, but also just your general your team sports and your weekend sports will really, really help. So if you are curious about how we might be able to help, give the ladies a call and book one in, and we'll love to have a chat with you.
No
Great to
worries.
see you guys.
Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Bye.